Hey everyone, listen carefully. Don't just start. I know you've heard all the popular advice on YouTube saying, just start, just upload. Your first 100 videos will be terrible anyway. And while that might work for younger creators with lots of free time, it's not realistic for everyone. If you're like me, juggling work, running a business, raising kids, I've got 4, then you don't have months or years to waste experimenting and hoping something sticks. You need to see progress quickly. So if that sounds like you, this video is exactly what you need. I'm going to share the 4 key things I did before uploading my first video and how those steps helped my husband reach 2,000 subscribers in just 5 weeks and set him up for monetization within 2 months. I treated YouTube like a business, not a hobby, and that made all the difference. Step 1, optimize your channel settings before uploading. I know this sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how many people skip this step. There's a particular section in your YouTube channel settings that's often overlooked, and it's crucial. In that section, you can set your country and your channel keywords related to your niche. When I first started, I didn't have either of these filled out, and my videos were barely getting 3 to 5 views. After watching a video explaining how important this was, I checked my settings and realized I hadn't set my country or any niche keywords. Once I updated that information, my views instantly jumped to 50 or 60 per video. My husband had a similar experience. He had a channel for nearly 2 years with no traction. When we checked, he hadn't filled those settings either. Once we fixed it, the difference was immediate. So make sure your settings are fully optimized so YouTube knows who to show your videos to. Otherwise, you'll be spinning your wheels for months without growth. Step 2, study your niche, like a researcher. Before uploading anything, I became a student of my niche. I watched creators who were already doing well in the space and analyzed everything, their style, topics, thumbnails, and even their comment sections. Think of this as market research, the same kind of research you do before starting a business. You need to know what kind of content people in your niche actually want to watch. Now, yes, some people say you are the niche, but even then, your channel needs an overarching theme, something that ties your content together. For example, my channel is built around a trending news niche, focusing on politics and celebrities, all under one clear theme. That helps viewers instantly understand what my content is about. Here's what you should do. Pick 5 creators in your niche. Go to their most popular videos tab. Write down the titles and themes of their top videos. Then recreate those ideas with your own voice and perspective. You're not copying, you're modeling what already works while making it unique to you. Step 3. Invest in simple but effective equipment. You don't need an expensive camera to start, but you do need decent lighting and a good microphone. Even affordable gear under $100 can drastically improve your video quality and help your content look more professional. I often record using my phone or a simple webcam, but I make sure the lighting and audio are solid. Remember, excellence matters. I've also put together a free quick start YouTube guide, link below, where I list affordable tools, gear suggestions, and even some daily affirmations to help you stay mentally strong on your YouTube journey. Because trust me, this process can challenge your mindset, and you'll need to keep your focus and motivation high. Step 4, learn the science behind YouTube growth. Finally, before I uploaded my first video, I spent weeks studying how YouTube actually works, the algorithm, retention rates, and click-through strategies. YouTube is both an art and a science. Many creators focus only on the creative side and ignore the data-driven side. But understanding both is what creates fast growth. Here's what I learned. YouTube, test your video with about 100 viewers first. If many people click and watch for a long time, the platform shows it to more users. So your job is to create clickable videos and keep people watching. That means make sure your thumbnail grabs attention. Use a strong title that sparks curiosity. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Go straight to the point. Don't waste time rambling. Deliver real value so they stay until the end. If people click off early, YouTube takes that as a sign your video isn't engaging, and it won't recommend it further. In my free YouTube Quick Start Guide, I've even included 20 hook ideas you can use to start your videos strong and keep viewers hooked. I watched dozens of tutorials and learned what worked and what didn't. Now, I'm actually planning to create a full 45 to 60-minute masterclass, breaking all of this down step by step to help other creators start the right way. All right, friends, that's it for today. Those are the 4 essential things my husband did before he hit upload that helped him grow to 2,000 subscribers in just 5 weeks. I hope these tips help you avoid wasting time and start your channel strategically with purpose, confidence, and results. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what stage you're at in your YouTube journey. And don't forget to grab your free Quick Start YouTube guide linked below. It's packed with gear tips, affirmations, and proven growth strategies to help you succeed faster. Thanks for watching. Now go take action and build your dream channel.